Hello everyone, it's Rita here, and I'm coming to you today. I don't have a project to work on. I just got really busy all day, and so I wanted to take this time because I wasn't sure where to fit it in, but I do want to do a giveaway for my 5,000 subscribers. And I was trying to think, what can I do? And, you know, things go through your head. And I know that a journal made by me would be something that you may want to have. So I have decided that on this video, if you comment on this video, I will make 3 journals, and because I want to give more than just one prize away. So I'm going to make the first place journal a 3 signature journal, which, you know, would be probably 100 pages or so. And I know all of you make journals, but in my opinion, I'd like to get other people's journals so I can see up close and what they did and you know, how their thought process in making that journal. I'll probably do videos on them as well because, you know, I have to make them in a reasonable amount of time. So the first prize would be a 3 signature journal. Second prize will be a 2 signature journal, and third prize will be a 1 signature journal. So I don't know what what I'll use to make them, but I will tell you this. In the comment, I would like you to tell me what theme you would like if you win. So in other words, you may say spring, you may say botanical, you may say Christmas, you may say whatever it is that you would want a full-size journal for. So, I mean, if you would like Christmas, you may not want a 3 signature Christmas journal. So, yeah, I think that's going to be it. So, just comment in this video, and I'll give you until next Tuesday, which is let me see. Tuesday, April. Is that the 5th? No, the 16th, April 16th. Okay. And that will be, I will draw Monday night. And then I will show the video on Tuesday. Okay, the winner for the 5,000 subscribers. So I hope I made that clear because I feel like I'm very out of breath because I was just ran in here and I said, because I was sitting down and finally at the end of the day and I'm like, oh my gosh, I didn't do a video, and I wanted to do this giveaway. So first place, 3 signature journal. Second place, 2 signature journal. Third place, 1 signature journal. Okay. Now the third place, I might do a folio instead of a full-size journal. So, you know, I want to probably do something different. But anyway, put your theme, or even if you just put the colors you want me to use. The only theme I don't want to do is anything that's Gothic. I mean, I don't mind Halloween, like scary-ish, but I don't like weirdness, Gothic-ish. So I don't like to do those. So it wouldn't be any fun for me or you. Okay, so I got a Happy Mail too. So I'm going to see what's in here. I barely opened it. This is from Linda. She's one of my subscribers, and her mother, I know that this is in here because she told me. Her mother wrote a book, and I don't, where is it? I moved everything out of the way. I have her mother's book. I think. No, this is not. How funny. I don't think I have this book. Let me pause you for 1 second. Okay, I'm back. I had purchased this book, Rich Little Poor Girl, autobiography, online because Linda told me her mother wrote a book. Yeah, the story of a girl born in Oklahoma in the 1920s. But then it says that she resides in Colorado, which she was actually in California, I believe. I don't know. Anyway, but this one says by Betty Fleming. Was that her maiden name or something? I don't know. You'll have to tell me. I will take time to read all this later. But anyway, these are some of the... oh, gosh, this is so cool. Here's some pictures, family pictures. I'm not going to go through all of this with you, but I am going to look at it. This is not the same book as... Oh, gosh, this is going to be fun to read. I wish I had this before I did that journal. Oh, look. Kern River. Yep. Lake Isabella. That's, I met her mother. I didn't know it, but when we were talking on YouTube, when she was watching my journals, I realized that we used to go to Kern River all the time, and Lake Isabella. And we would go to Kern River and go to the town of Kernville. And her mom had an antique store there, so I am almost sure I met her there at one time because we used to make that was our vacation place. And it was quite a coincidence that she is from the same place that we used to go up there and camp. Then she sent me some goodies. So let's see what we got. A little bookmark. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. How sweet is that? 1987. Wow, that's vintage. Cute. It looks like a bunch of ribbons. Oh gosh, these are pretty. I'm not going to take too much time to go through every inch of it. Oh, look at that. I like that. Thank you so much, Linda. Look at that. I've never seen plaid ribbon. These will be great in my slow stitch. And here's another little packet. There's the tie. I didn't see the tie on this one. Maybe that's it, that yarn. Oh, look at this. Oh, isn't that adorable? Love it. Love it. Oh, these are so pretty. Gosh, you know, I never get, I never see anything like this at the stores. I guess we just don't have it, or maybe she bought them online. These are so nice. Pretty. And then here's another little pack. Some black. And some little beads. And more eyelash. Oh, look at peach. Very pretty. Oh, this one is really dainty and pretty. Isn't that? Well, thank you so much, Linda. Let's see. Oh, there's more. Oh, cute. Tacoma, Washington. Oh my gosh. I have family in Tacoma. I think I still have them, but they're close by. How funny is that? Gosh, I wish my mom was here so I could show it to her. Yeah. Look at all these beautiful cream color, vintage looking lace. Oh, I love it. Thank you so much, Linda. These are beautiful. Can't wait to use these. I hoard them too, you know. I actually bought a package of lace a while back when I first started really doing the slow stitching, and I just can't stand to use it. If I go to put a piece of lace on, I'm like, well, this isn't good enough. This is too good for this project. You know what I mean? So I don't know. Anyway, thank you so much. I appreciate that, and I appreciate all this info on your mom and her life, her autobiography. I just I don't know. I don't know what this book. I always thought this was the book that I was supposed to buy, but then, you know, Fleming sounds familiar. For some reason, I read this quite a while ago, and I don't remember, because it's an autobiography. You know, you don't remember exactly what was happening in each part. Huh. I don't know. So I have to read all that. I need to look at that again. Okay, guys. So I'm going to let you go. And I hope everybody will see this video and jump in and make a comment. I would love to have a long-time winner, a long-time subscriber winner. That would be great. That's why I'm doing 3, because there'll be more chances for somebody to win. I know a lot of you have watched me for a long time and don't comment, and that's fine. It's just that I don't know who you are. And so, you know, I feel like the only people that I know are the people that actually comment on a daily basis, pretty much. Or, you know, every week or a couple weeks or something like that. So I want to get to know you all. But anyways, I'll let you go, and have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.